Hello there everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name's Hayley if you're new here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Next Beauty, the Luxury Fragrance Edit in partnership with Lancôme, Prada, Valentino, Mugler or Mugler, however you say it, and Yves Saint Laurent. So this box retails for £75 and is worth £112. So I'm looking forward to having a smell of these perfumes. I do know some of them, and one of them I have smelt recently and I was like, oh, I've got to have that. So this is £75 and I looked up how much the main perfume is, and it is around that price mark for the size, for this size. So I think you're basically buying that and getting all the others free. So that's how I'm thinking of this box. So let's have a look at what's in there. And there we have it. I'm so pleased to see that this is in a box. This is what I was excited for, and I was hoping that it wouldn't just be loose in there, because I'm thinking of giving this as a gift to someone and keeping the little ones for myself. So this is the star of the show. So this is Prada Paradox and it's 30ml, and I think this is £73 or £75 or somewhere around there to buy on its own. So I'm not going to open this because I'm going to give it as a gift to someone. So there, that's 30ml. So that is pretty much what the box, what you've paid for the box. So everything else in here is a bonus. Look, what is this one here? Oh, I'm really excited to see what this one's like. So this is Libra and it is Le Parfum, 7.5ml sample size. Let's see what that's like. And it is the darker one. I'm so excited because I saw this in the shops. I think I like this more than the one I already have, and I have another little 7.5ml. This one's Eau de Parfum, and this one is Le Parfum. Let's see. Yeah, it says Le Parfum on the box, because I thought, oh, if that's not the dark one, I'm going to be sad. But it is. So let's see what it's like. Oh, it smells lovely. Smells absolutely lovely. Oh, that's nice. I love it. Let's smell this one. This is the one I already had. Yeah, I can smell the difference. This one is not quite as strong as that one. That one's more intense. So yeah, so pleased to have the more intense one. Really happy with that, so happy. So that was that, and that was 7.5ml. Then after that, this one. This is the one I have smelt recently, and as soon as I saw it that it was in this box, I thought I need it, because I don't want to buy a full size one, because this is Mugler and their perfumes are so expensive to buy. I usually wait for someone to get it as a gift or if it's on sale, and I thought I'm not going to be getting this anytime soon, but I really wanted this little one, and I thought I can get the present for someone else and I can have this little one, and it will last me a little while because I don't go through perfumes quick. So this is Alien Extra Intense, and it's the new one out. It's the newest one that they have released, and it is 6ml. I can't wait to see this cute little bottle. Oh, look at that. Isn't it cute? I just love little dinky bottles of perfume. I'm so happy to have that. And it smells gorgeous. To me it does. I just love it. So the lid comes off like this. Let's see. I'm not very good at getting these lids off. So it's another dab one, and I'm not going to put it on, but I just adore the smell. It is really nice. I know I think I'm gonna love all of these perfumes. I'm not sure about one, so I know that I like that one because I had a little sample. Oh, I'm so happy to have that. Oh, they look so cute, the little bottles. So next, I'm going to get this one. So this one is Lancôme La Vie Belle, the original one. And I already have another 4ml bottle of this, and I have a big bottle. I just love this perfume as well. I mean, does anybody hate it? I don't know. I like most Lancôme perfumes. That is just beautiful. I'm so happy to have another little one. So cute, aren't they, these little ones? And then the last one is the one that I'm not sure if I'm going to like it or not, because I don't know if I've smelt this before or not. So this is Valentino Born in Roma Extra Dose Go Spray, it says. So this is a new one out. I didn't know that. So this is 10ml. Wow. Let's see what it's like. I didn't know this one was new as well. Because they do so many, don't they, that sound the same. That is gorgeous. I like it. Very nice. So I'm pleased to have that one as well. So that was the whole box, guys. I'm really pleased to have all these little dinky perfumes, and I've got a nice present for someone else that I'm going to put away for them. I don't think they're going to watch this video. I hope not. But yeah, I'm going to put that away for them for a present. And I've got all these little ones, so I'm really happy. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.